Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind of Life.
Look at channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Nuya.
And we're here at
Seattle.
That's right, folks. We're here in Seattle for 2 nights, about 2.5 days. So we're going to be giving you guys an idea of what to do in Seattle. Now, we did purchase CityPASS, which makes our trip so much easier. Gives you all the highlights, main attractions, and what to do here. So we did do the C3, which gives you 3 options of 3 different attractions. First one being the Chihuly Garden. Now, I'm probably butchering that name, but it's a glass garden, and we'll be giving you guys an idea of what it's about. Not only that, next stop will be the Space Needle, which is right next door, so that's super convenient. Just make sure your times line up. Reservations are required. Before we do begin, it's worth showing where we're staying. We decided to stay a little outside of Seattle in Kirkland, Washington at the Woodmark Hotel. We did create a detailed video of this hotel, so be sure to check out our other videos. Back to our first stop, the Chihuly Garden and Glass. Wow, look at that. You love art, don't you? This guy's an art fanatic. We sat through a 3.5-hour art auction. Talk about that. 3.5 hour art auction on the cruise ship, right? We just sat there and we bid it on a few of them, but we didn't win. But yeah, this is more artwork for Zidane. Now, we're here at nighttime. There's windows on top. Now, during the daytime, these are not lit. From what I understand, this looks even more beautiful during the nighttime just because of the way this lights up. Hey, another neat thing about this place, they have photographers set up. You could take as many photos as you'd like, professional photos, mind you, and they're completely free included with your pass. This area is sectioned out for a private event, otherwise inside, look at that, that looks gorgeous. Especially right in front of the Space Needle. In case you're wondering what these are worth, check out the pricing of this. And these are tiny. Alright, up next is a Space Needle. So you got the entrance from the outside. Do you recall when we came here, like, what, 6 years ago?
Yes.
How long do we wait?
It was quite a while.
Quite a while.
It was really busy.
So it is a weekend. It's a Saturday. In the evening, about 9 p.m. So this is awesome. No wait whatsoever. There's actually a longer line to go down than there was to go up. Once you're back down, you exit out into the gift store. To finish off our night, we hit up Burger Master. They do have 5 different locations throughout Seattle. It's a fun drive-in burger spot. Good morning, another beautiful day here in Seattle. This hotel is amazing. It's the Woodmark Hotel. Now we're going to be grabbing some breakfast, which is attached to our hotel, the Kirkland Kitchen. Our first stop today was to check out Pike Place Market. Hey, whoa! The market spans 9 historic acres in the center of downtown where everyday locals and tourists alike shop, visit, eat, and discover.
The weather is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's about 60.
Yeah, a little over 60.
Yeah.
So many people out.
So many people out. Everyone's enjoying the weather.
So in case anyone needs to know, there's also a Target store right across in case you need to do some shopping. What'd you find? This is the real reason we come here, guys. We collect these and Hot Wheels too. It's fun going to different states and kind of seeing their collection because you'd be surprised what you'd find outside your local area. There's the infamous bubblegum wall. That is nasty. I don't know how people get up there. So we spent a couple of hours at Pike Place Market, but on to the next spot. So we got one more stop on the CityPASS. It's the View Observatory at the Columbia Center right behind me. Now this is supposed to be the largest building in Seattle, so it's gonna be cool to see entire Seattle, especially the Space Needle from up above. One good thing is nobody's here. It's a Sunday afternoon, about 4 p.m. And this is it.
Yeah.
So we're all done. Not bad. It's been about 30 minutes up there at most. Yeah, just a view out there. But we're back. They also told us that parking is free. Yeah, parking is free on Sundays, and I didn't have to pay $18 to park here as long as you park on the street. And there's plenty of street parking. So a fail on my end, but good advice for you guys. So if you're out here on Sunday, it's free parking, public street. To finish up our day, we decided to grab dinner at the Goldfinch Tavern.
You were the laughter that kept me alive. You were hello, and I was goodbye. An ember that flickered, that faded away. Now you're gone, and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing my mind.
All right, we are checking out of Seattle. What you doing, little girl? You guys have a good time? All right. Well, there you folks have it, Seattle. If you guys have any questions about this place or our visit, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe.